Hello. If you want to get to know how to enroll a user on training using previously defined user groups, this is the tutorial for you. To enroll a user on training, select the Learning Objects Management section on the left of the screen. Then choose the Learning Objects option. On the board of all the available learning objects, find the one that you are interested in, and then use the Action button in the upper right corner to expand the menu. Select the option Enroll Users. On the next screen, you will see buttons that will help you add users to the training. You can add users one by one or through predefined groups, organization structure, or you can choose the group of users with the same roles. Choose the option to enroll people who are part of a previously defined group by clicking Select User Groups. The next screen is the first step. Select the group or groups according to your needs. If you indicate more than one, the next screen will display a list of people previously added to all of them. Click Next. In the second step, you can exclude a specific user or specific users if you do not want them to be enrolled on this learning object. Click Next to move to the third step. Here, you can define the period of time in which the users have access to the specific learning object by clicking on the dates in the calendar. You can either indicate the period of time or allow access for an indefinite period of time by clicking on the appropriate option. After clicking the Next button, you will go to the fourth step, the summary. Here, you can make sure that all the data you entered is correct. If so, click Save. Users have just received access to the training. They can be notified via email if you previously defined such a setting in a given learning object. Simple, isn't it? Make sure to have a look at our other tutorials.